Revolt versus Coinbase. The core focus is that Revolt is an all-in-one financial app offering banking, budgeting, and basic crypto trading, ideal if you want to manage money, stocks, and crypto in one place. Coinbase is a dedicated crypto exchange with a wide selection of digital assets, advanced trading tools, and industry-leading security. Crypto selection is that Coinbase supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features, making it the go-to for serious crypto investors. Revolt supports a smaller but growing list of crypto tokens with easy instant buying and selling, but fewer advanced options. Some fees is that Coinbase charges dynamic trading fees up to 3.99% depending on the transaction type and payment method. Revolt crypto trading fees start around 1.49% for small traders and drop with higher volumes, but its new Revolt X platform fees for active traders can be as low as 0.09% for price takers, much lower than Coinbase's for high volume users. For security, both platforms use strong security. So which one is honestly better? Choose Revolt if you want an all-in-one app for banking, budgeting, simple crypto trading, especially if you value lower fees for high volume trades or want to manage multiple assets in one place. However, you should choose Coinbase if you're focused on crypto, want the widest selection of coins, advanced trading tools, and the highest industry security standards. The bottom line is Revolt is best for everyday users who want banking and basic crypto in one app. Coinbase is better for serious crypto traders and investors who need choice, security, and advanced features. Subscribe